The key user training team is proud to present its brand new website, including its new offer, access to our SAP e-learning platform. You will find all the information on this platform on the SAP e-learning page. First of all, we will be able to access the training catalog to give you an overview of the content of our platform. Our training platform has more than 780 SAP training contents, more than 28,500 active users in total, and more than 400 companies and schools using our service. Our SAP instructors come from all over the world and have designed training courses in your native language, English, French, German, Spanish, or even Japanese, to make you feel at ease. To make you a complete consultant, we have other contents that will complete your training, such as courses on the Microsoft Suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, or Power BI, SharePoint, and even MS Project. Our trainers regularly publish new content while updating existing one. The new SAP S/4HANA technology or the new Fiori user interface are among the new features taught. You can discover each of the features of our platform right here. To connect, click on Connect in the upper right corner. I will now show you what our training platform looks like. of subscription pricing, here are the three formulas available depending on your needs. And if you are still hesitating before taking the plunge, try it for free thanks to our 7 days trial period with no commitment. See you soon!